In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Obsidian on Windows. First, open your browser and go to obsidian.md. Once you're on the official website, click on Get Obsidian for Windows, then select Download for Windows. Now, just wait for the installer to finish downloading. If you want to check the progress, you can click the download icon in the upper right corner of your browser. Once the download is complete, click the file from your download section to start the installation. Choose your preferred installation options, then click Next. If a prompt appears asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" click Yes. After that, select your installation location, click Install, and wait for it to finish. When it's done, click Finish, and the app will automatically open. Now that Obsidian is open, you'll need to create your first vault. On the welcome screen, click Create to the right of Create New Vault. Enter a name for your vault, then click Browse to choose where you want it saved. Once you've selected the location, click Create. After that, you'll be directed to the main homepage of your vault, and just like that, you're ready to start creating notes and exploring everything Obsidian has to offer. And that's it. That's how you set up Obsidian for Windows. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.